guys, today we're going to take another look at this vintage Hoover Constellation 862. Now this is the one I got from Sam I can't remember when I got it, about a week or so ago I think I got this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I've changed the motor in it, so it's now got an original Constellation motor in there. Don't know what happened there. I'll show you inside quick. It's got a genuine Hoover part dust bag in there, which I have used, but I cleaned all the dirt out and everything. So, you know, there's some muck there as well, which I've not noticed before. But you know, there we go. So, I just don't know if this part moves down anymore. I'm sure it does, but it will have to do it for now. So there's that. There's the machine. I've got standard battered poles here as well, which are meh. Got the hose, which I keep having to pull this part back. That's it, like that. There we go. It pulls back like that. And there's the hose with the different end. Yep, that just goes in the machine like that. Standard Constellation. And then we've got the floor tool, which is again in quite good condition. It does need cleaning, but I haven't had a chance to clean it. All I've done is just chuck the motor in it, and yeah, made it work. So just unwrap the cable from the bottom. Now plug it in. It floats really well. There we go. Floats well. There's the suction. And throttle on. And it works pretty well. It's quite a cool little vacuum, that. Let's just unplug it. And yeah, that's quite a good vacuum. So unplug the hose there. The cable just wraps around the bottom like so. Pretty easy. Okay. Oh, you can actually wrap it around the top of the handle. If you can see anything. I am in a rush to do these videos because I am going out a bit, and I need to get these done and uploaded. So, you know, tight schedule. So anyway, there we go. That's it. There was a quick video on this Hoover Constellation. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please subscribe if you haven't already, and like, and yeah, bye for now.